Love. Our own heart, our own mind is the temple. The doctrine is compassion. Love. But one love effective means of teaching someone how to be more warm and compassion is to begin by using reasoning to educate the individual about the value and practical benefits of compassion, and also having them reflect on how they feel when someone is kind to them and so on. Love. Even you see 10 minutes or 30 minutes of meditating on compassion, on kindness for others, and you will see its effects all day. That's the way to maintain a calm and joyous mind. Love. In a healthy family where children receives constant affection and protection, the children are very happy and develop self-confidence. As a result, their health is better and their lives become something of value. Compassion and affection are crucial for this. Love. Compassion is a true source of happiness. Cultivating a close, warm-hearted feeling for others automatically puts the mind at ease, helps remove fears and insecurities, and gives us the strength to cope with any obstacles we encounter. It is the ultimate source of success in life. Love. There are two kinds of love and compassion. There is true compassion, also called love with reason, and there is usual kind of love, which is very much involved in desire and attachment. Love. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Love. It is innate in us, the birthright. Love. It is innate in us, the birthright of every born human. From our very first day in this life, we are wholly dependent on the love of our mother or some other caregiver. Love. Because we have all been nurtured in a womb, because we are all born of a mother, affection is in our basic nature. From the loving cares of a mother's touch to the intimate connection of her breast as we suck, not only are we brought into being through love, but also our young life is nourished and nurtured through love.